In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Bybit account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to expect, and how to complete the process confidently and securely. To begin, sign into your Bybit account using a desktop browser. Make sure you have access to your email and any two-factor authentication devices you've set up, since you'll likely need them. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to review your account status. If you have open positions, pending orders, active bots, or any subscriptions, closing those first can help avoid interruptions or unexpected issues once your account is deactivated. Also, check for any remaining balances and make a note of any records you might want to keep, such as statements or trade history, because access may change after deactivation. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the Bybit dashboard. Click the profile icon, then select Account. This is the central place for your profile details, security settings, and the controls related to your account status. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main dashboard page and that you're logged in to the correct account. Inside the account area, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There you'll find the option labeled Deactivate an Account. The naming may say deactivate rather than delete, but this is the control Bybit provides to begin the process of closing your account. Click it to continue. You'll now be asked to select your reason for leaving and to review the consequences of deactivation. Read these notes carefully. Bybit will outline what will happen next, which may include loss of access to the platform, cancellation of certain features, and revocation of API keys. Some actions might be irreversible or require assistance to reverse, so make sure you're comfortable with the outcomes before you proceed. When you're ready, complete the security verification. This typically involves confirming your identity through the methods you've enabled, such as an authenticator app, an email code, or other verification prompts. Enter the required codes accurately and within their time limits. After you submit your verification, confirm the deactivation request. You should see a confirmation on screen and may receive a follow-up email. Keep that message for your records. If the page indicates any waiting period or final checks, allow that process to complete. That's it. You've successfully initiated the deactivation of your Bybit account. If the interface changes or you encounter an unexpected prompt, follow the on-screen guidance, since Bybit may update the layout over time. Thanks for watching and take care.